When you think about demolition, you think about dirt, about soiled ground, and tons of waste. But not with Liempd Demolitions. We believe in one central focus: quality. Liempd Demolitions is based in Sint-Oedenrode in the Netherlands and operates throughout the country and beyond. Technology, knowledge, and application form the basis of the quality we strive for. With extensive experience in every aspect of demolition, we handle jobs of any size and any complexity. Large or small, simple or complicated, we deliver high-quality results every time. At Liempd Demolition, we have a wide range of the best equipment available. We exclusively use Caterpillar equipment because of the power, quality, and versatility of the brand. Our Caterpillar machines were designed specifically for demolition use and range from 36 to 92 tons. In all our projects, sustainability goes hand in hand with quality. We promote the idea of responsible demolition, recovering every piece of material that can be used again. When we take a building down, we remove as much glass, concrete, porcelain, carpets, plastics, and metal as we can. These materials are then passed to partner companies for reuse or recycling. Wood that we recover has a very special destination. Two Life Art, our subsidiary company that makes exceptional furniture for indoor and outdoor use, as well as tailored pieces to customer specifications. We're not only here for you to demolish, we're here to take care of your total project. Your waste is our solution. A responsible use of the world's resources is our goal. Demolition is our passion. Sustainability speaks for itself. Responsible demolition builds the future.